For cracks wider than 2 inches, use a layered filling approach that builds from the back outward. Start by cleaning the crack thoroughly with a stiff brush and compressed air or a shop vacuum to remove loose debris and dust. For backfill, use an extra-large closed cell backer rod or a cut Pool-Noodle sized to sit snugly about 1 inch below the intended sealant surface so the sealant bonds only to the sides and top and not the bottom. If the crack has deep voids beneath the visible opening, pack loose sand or use a low expansion spray foam applied sparingly to fill large pockets. Then allow the foam to cure and trim it flush. Choose a high-quality, heavy-duty elastomeric sealant rated for wide joints and compatible with the surfaces you are sealing, and apply it in a continuous bead using a caulk gun while keeping the gun at a consistent angle for even adhesion. Tool the sealant with a rounded tooling stick or a wetted spatula to press it against the sides and remove air pockets, creating a smooth concave profile that sheds water. Allow the sealant to cure fully per manufacturer instructions and protect it from traffic and moisture during curing to achieve the intended elasticity and bond. Common mistakes include overfilling without a proper backing, which causes 3-sided adhesion and premature failure. So always use backer rod or a Pool-Noodle to change the geometry of the joint and preserve flexibility. People often skip thorough cleaning and then the sealant does not adhere. So invest time in brushing, vacuuming, and wiping the joint with a solvent recommended by the sealant maker when needed. A third issue is using fast expanding foam in excess, which can distort the joint or lift edges, so apply low expanding foam in short passes. Let it cure and trim flush before sealing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides practical project guidance that ties directly to these sealing techniques. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors can share tips, ask questions, and find work or hire for projects.